Alright guys, so what I was cleaning up there was I have 8 chicken wings that I cut the tip off and divide the drumettes from the flats. Just a little bit of olive oil on here. I have a half a teaspoon of salt, white pepper, sazon, smoked paprika, onion, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, a pinch of Jamaican Scotch bonnet, what else? Salt. And this is my homemade jerk marinade. So today is Friday and I'm just making some sort of a Caribbean takeout at home, if you will. So some wings and some fried rice my way. I don't have any cooked fried rice, so I'm going to season some fried rice, some rice and cook white rice, and then add some jerk shrimp and some imitation crab to it. So here my chicken wings are seasoned. I'm going to cover this up and set it aside while I get on some other stuff. So in this pot here I have about a cup and a half of basmati rice that I've washed. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil onto it. In the rice I'm going to add, before I cook, I'm going to add some of my jerk marinade. I'm going to season this with some salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then I'm going to add to this my homemade chicken stock. I don't know if you see this. It's filled with great, nice Caribbean flavors like allspice, cloves, ginger, cinnamon, bay leaf. So I'm going to season this again with salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and then put this down in my chicken broth. Alright, so I heat up my air fryer basket. I'm going to put my chicken in the air fryer. Ooh, I forgot that was heated up. Jesus. I'm going to make my pineapple rum sauce to go with these jerk wings. So my rice is done, my chicken is halfway through, and I have here for the rice I have tricolor bell peppers, carrots, ginger, garlic, onion, and I have some green onions that was frozen sliced up over there. I thought I had mixed veggies like I always have in the freezer for this, but I didn't, so I had to come up with something. And since it's not your usual fried rice anyway, that's just fine. Now my chicken is halfway through. I'm going to flip them and come back. Alright, so preparing to do my rice. In the bowl here I have about, I think it's 15 large shrimp, washed, deveined. What I did was the bowl I seasoned the chicken in had some of that good jerk marinade and seasonings in there. So I just added a pinch more salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, and smoked paprika to the shrimp and mixed that up really well. I'm going to brown these off, but before I brown them off, I'm going to do my eggs first because it's the same pan. So I'm going to scramble 2 eggs and then get ready to brown off the shrimp. I have this pack of imitation crab here. I'm going to use about a half of it. It says chunk style wild Alaskan pollock with real crab meat added. So this is what I'm going to add as well. I'm browning off my shrimp right now. So this is going to go in after everything is done. I used the whole pack. I realized it wasn't the normal 16 ounces. I usually buy 8 ounces. So I'm seasoning it up coating it into the bowl with the seasonings as well. Now I'm going to take my shrimp out and add it back in here. And I'm going to cook my veggies. That was quick. So my wings are done. In the meantime, I'm making the sauce while I'm showing you the rice. I'm making some pineapple sauce to go with the wings. Alright guys, my veggies then done. So I'm gonna add my rice in here. I'm gonna add a little soy sauce. I was cooking the rice, I didn't add any butter. I am going to right now add my fried eggs back in. Holy, what is going on today? Thank goodness. There we go. Alright, let's add the shrimp and the crab meat in here. And then I also have a pinch of lemon zest. Fresh lemon zest I just grated. I'm gonna adjust this, a lemon. I'm gonna add that in there now, but I'm adding the shrimp and the crab. I also added about a teaspoon of Chinese black vinegar. This is optional. Or you can use Shaoxing cooking wine. Again, optional. But there is nothing traditional about this fried rice. So guys, there you have it. My seafood jerk fried rice, okay? My sauce for my wings over here is just about done. Sorry I didn't show you that.